ORCA motors have removable shafts, which allows for greater flexibility and adaptability in your designs. While ORCA motors are fully integrated, including position sensing, they don't have absolute position sensing on boot. The auto-zeroing function can be used to establish a consistent position reference every time. The auto-zeroing function moves the motor's shaft at a constant speed until it reaches a hard stop, defining that point as zero position. An example hard stop can be the provided shaft collars. You can auto-zero your ORCA using IrisControls, our in-house GUI, or serial connection. Here we are using IrisControls, available on the downloads page of our website. In IrisControls, go to the Position and Kinematics page. Under Zero Negative Positions, click Auto Zero Enabled. There are now 3 configuration options available: maximum force, shaft speed, and the mode the motor will transition to after completing auto-zeroing. To test auto-zeroing, click Start Auto Zero. Don't forget to save your configuration before testing. Auto-zeroing can be configured to run when the motor boots up. To do this, go back to this drop-down menu under Zeroing Configuration and click Auto Zero on boot. The auto-zeroing function will always move the shaft in the negative direction. To switch the direction, the invert position setting must be toggled. For more information on auto-zeroing, position sensing, and ORCA motors in general, visit the download section of our website, linked below.